Simply put, eco-criticism studies the relationship between literature and nature. In America, eco-criticism tends to be more celebratory of nature, tree-hugging tendencies instead of focusing on cultural and political issues on nature. And the UK's green studies focuses more on the environment's dangers in a globalised world. So what is an eco-critic all about? First of all, they're talking about nature, something that is real and out there. It can affect us and we can affect it. Nature cannot be reduced to merely a concept because it's real. It's moulded us and keeps us alive on this earth. Therefore, its authenticity as real is never really brought into question. As we've discussed, eco-critics explore the relation between literature and nature, more globally between culture and the global environment. But an eco-critic will also explore the ways in which society has been naturalized. Social and politically governed factors in culture, such as hierarchy, poverty and taxes, and how they're made to seem as the natural way of things, whereas they are in fact as they are because of economics, laws and morals, which are all man-made factors. Eco-critics will identify and attack these comparisons and say that the only thing truly natural is nature itself. If this comparison isn't identified, it acts similarly as a justification for those circumstances. Moving on, to analyse the relationship between nature and culture, nature must be effectively distinguished from it. And this is done by dividing nature into 4 areas. Area 1, the wilderness. Area 2, the scenic sublime. Area 3, the countryside. And Area 4, the domestic picturesque. However, as a result of global warming, it could be argued that there's no such thing as the wilderness, because these uninhabited areas have been meddled by man. For example, the climate is altered by temperature, weather patterns, etc. In addition, these areas, especially 1 and 2, can be viewed in an anthropocentric fashion, which means viewed in a human-centered fashion, as if one of the main reasons nature exists is for human benefit instead of survival. An example of this can be seen in the Bible. Moses ascends to the mountains to obtain the commandments. Jesus goes into the wilderness to pray. But surely everyone does this. Deep ecology resists this idea. However, everyone marvels at a beautiful sunset or a warm and sunny afternoon, and as we come from nature, perhaps it's natural for us to enjoy nature and not solely a result of nurture. We all have a responsibility to care for nature and the environment because we all share a relationship between it. It is one of the many things that connects humanity.